Welcome back to 21 Trim Haircare Studio with me, Mara. On today's section of the Haircare Studio, we are going to learn how to zero gap a clipper and how to do a deep clean of a clipper. Before you watch this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on post all notification for more updates. Let's go! New clippers are zero gap already, so you need to check whether you like it or not. If you don't like how the zero gap is or how the zero gap has been done, then you do it yourself. Before you do a zero gap, some tools that you need are your main clipper, because that's exactly what you're coming to work on. Your clipper. You need a smaller brush, you need a bigger brush that you can use to clean the edges of the clipper. You need screwdrivers, or it's actually a screwdriver. You need only one. Because we do a deep clean, we need a cool care. deep clean of a clipper. So here it is now. It looks actually clean and well zero gap. Thank you all for watching this video. Stay tuned as I bring to you barbering tutorial. If you find this interesting, make sure you subscribe, turn on post all notifications for more updates. Kindly like, share, and drop your comments below. See you again on the next section.